Hello everyone, I am Faizanuddin Sayed working as an Assistant Technical Manager with Beacon, and in the next few minutes I will be taking you through the benefits of SolidWorks in solar industry. As we all know that renewable energy production is growing rapidly and one of the major contributor to this industry is solar energy. The PV module structure could be static such as mounted on ground, simply fitted on rooftops, beautifully floating on water, or it could be dynamic and elegant like this solar tracker. SolidWorks can help you create the complete PV mounting structure effectively, where you can generate 3D models with cut length, 2D detailed drawings with bill of material, shadow length calculation, and flow effects of air. Let's quickly have a look. We will start by looking at how to create the base structure. Here I have a couple of sketches. Weldment functionality lets me select appropriate structure members easily, and I can apply them on sketch entities. After adding weldment profile on the sketch, I can mirror it quickly using a reference plane and then use the pattern command to create a pattern set for the components. Let's move to the assembly to have a better look at the complete PV module. Creating 2D drawings in SolidWorks is like a breeze. I can easily create GA drawing with bill of material or fabrication drawing with cut list. Using section view or detail view gives me much more freedom to define all the product manufacturing information very easily. As SolidWorks is a parametric modeling tool, you can be rest assured that the drawings will update automatically whenever any changes are made to the 3D model. Predicting shadow length is very important for perfect placement of PV modules. In SolidWorks, I can go ahead and define the location of sun. I need to select some parameters like direction of north, coordinates, time, and date. Next, I can use the solar axis study to create an animation of moving sun, which will give me my shadow accurately. Here is an example of that. Setting up a shadow analysis is so simple and easy to perform. I can create multiple iterations and find the best position to place my PV modules. Of course, I don't want my PV module to get blown away during the storm. Using SolidWorks Flow Simulation, I can analyze the effect of wind. I can choose the direction of wind and calculate the pressure exerted by the wind on the structure. I can then generate different plots such as velocity, pressure, etc. to visualize the results. Also, wind direction can be varied to give you an accurate idea of how it will impact the structure. I can then export the result to SolidWorks Simulation, which is the FEA tool, to calculate the strength of the structure. Here, I will define the fixtures and will import the loads from the Flow Simulation project. The results which I am getting is the stress distribution and the displacement. Furthermore, I can also calculate the results on bolts or joints which some other 1D softwares fail to perform. Companies like Big Belly Solar and Alka Group uses SolidWorks solution to reduce their rework and design cycle time and increase their productivity. For more details, you can reach out to us on below given email IDs. Thank you and goodbye.